All right, guys, welcome to another live stream. Welcome to another live stream. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Let me turn off my Wi Fi because this is being choppy. I think I'm good. It's just so choppy. I don't understand why this is like this. All right, I think I'm good. Yeah, so welcome to another live stream. We're going to go over the market and then we'll go over we'll play some chess, right? Okay, so looking at the market, not much has happened. We actually did get a little bit a slight bounce in crypto. So prices have rebounded a bit. And if let me take a look at stocks really quick. And it looks like stocks rebounded today. So the Nasdaq is up, the New York Stock Exchange is up, Dow Jones is up, Apple is up. Some notable stocks, Nike, Verizon, those are up. So it looks like the market has bounced back. We did get a crazy sell off the last couple of days. And again, I think it's just the market trying to shake out weak hands when it comes to crypto. And obviously the stock market and crypto kind of follow. So the stock market took a dip. And there's a lot of it's mainly because of this government shutdown. What's positive is there's been a lot of talks about opening. Come on, why is this so choppy? Um, there has been some. Okay, there has been some talks about opening the government back up. So hopefully that happens. Hopefully we get the government to open back up here soon. There's a lot of government programs that are suffering because of the government shutdown, and it just to benefit the overall economy if the government opens back up. Obviously, we're trying to get some economic data coming through too. I think we got the ADP report, so I don't know if that's connected to the government and how they were able to release that, but yeah. And again, interest rates are still on the table for December. We need to see, what um, what the economic data brings, so that way the Fed could decide whether they're going to do an interest rate or we won't know until the actual meeting, but we'll see the Fed watch tool go up in percentage. I think currently right now it's around that 64, 67%. So yeah, I think once we get this government shutdown to open up, and I think that's going to come here pretty soon. I think this is going to happen pretty soon. I think the markets will turn around, and it'll be a sight to see. I think for one for crypto, and then two, I think stocks are going to rebound too. Again, a lot of the stock market, it never crashes and it does not never not rebound, right? So we need to, you need to know that. And also for crypto, right? If you look at the blue chip cryptos, if they crash, it's not for that long. It's for, maybe a week, two, maybe a month. But after that, we always see some type of V-shaped recovery or some type of recovery in the crypto market. And I just think that we're going to get that here soon, right? I think this is a positive year for crypto. We have a lot of positive catalysts, interest rate cuts, government shutdown about to end, a lot of institutional adoption when it comes to crypto. And yeah, the space just keeps getting bigger. I think, the fact that we are like close to a $4 trillion market cap, it just shows that it's here to stay. So for me, this is just a shakeout. And I think we should be in good shape here soon. I'm hoping this is not freezing. Hopefully I come out crisp. Actually, let me check my mic just to make sure. It's here to stay. So for me, this is just a shakeout. And I think we should be in good shape here soon. I'm hopefully Okay, it looks like my mic, looks like my video is good. Looks like my mic is good. Just to make sure. But yeah, I think overall today the market did pretty good. It bounced back, and we just need to wait until again the government shutdown clears up, and more clarity on this economic data, and that'll happen once the government opens back up, and then this interest rate cut in December. But again, we already got two interest rate cuts, so that's already positive. I think you're going to see the effects of that here pretty soon. It usually doesn't take effect that quickly, but yeah, I think we're rebounding here, and we just need to give it some time. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for the update. Let me play 2 games of chess, and I gotta go. Today's gonna be a quick stream. Yeah, man, but the crypto market overall, I mean, it's been brutal, right? I mean, this is how those asymmetric gains are made, because we get downturns like this, and you know, it's brutal. Most people want to quit. Most people want to sell, especially if you're like you're over leverage and things like that. Um, but you got to really just hold on and have a conviction, right? I mean, this is kind of what gets you through these times, is the conviction. Because if you don't have any conviction, you're really just you know going with the flow, or going with what somebody said on X, and you're really just not doing your own research, right? All right, let's see what's going on here. And this is like, it feels like a long game. It feels like a rapid game, this game. I'm just gonna take and move this up. Oof, checkmate. There we go. Nope. All right, I think that actually that's pretty much it for today. It's going to be a 10-minute video. Um, it's kind of late, so yeah, I think the market just it's gonna rebound here soon. I think we have a lot of positive catalysts coming up, and yeah, just pay attention. I think especially if you're in the crypto market, should be paying attention to your portfolio. A lot of altcoins, not a lot of altcoins, but selective altcoins. Like we said, we had the privacy sector spike up, so you definitely want to be paying attention to make sure you're not hitting any of your targets. And if you have to sell or pivot to another coin, then you only be able to do that if you're paying attention. So that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.